Step 5. Get a voluntary leadership role. Although the role of Scrum Master is not about authority or management of people, there certainly is a strong element of leadership of people and management of the framework. Let me break down the difference. In a traditional project management role, many project managers decide to control and dominate debates, process, and technical decisions since they think they know best. They effectively manage or organize people the way they think is best, often without leveraging the expertise of those people. This is where the Scrum Master role is different. In an opposite manner, a Scrum Master must leave teams the space to organize themselves and then trust in their individual skill sets and experience of teamwork to deliver the correct outcome. So, where is the leadership in the role? Well, it is also important to remember that it is the Scrum Master's role to ask the right questions of the team, coach them on the Scrum rules, and influence them to adhere to the rules. It is also a Scrum Master's role to set an example, keep good time, and practice what he or she preaches. All of these traits are leadership traits, and you will quickly see that people start to speak your language and follow your actions, not because they fear you, but because they understand and respect your leadership via management of the Scrum framework, and because you are helping them to achieve their goal. This is known as servant leadership, since you lead by helping others. Once you have started to deliver the Scrum message to your peers, it is important to make sure that you are very comfortable leading people without managing them. Within 2 months of putting my Scrum certification into practice within my team, my managers had realized my enthusiasm. I had also suggested the idea of technical leads within projects. This was not a practice within our department, which was fairly new. Given my keenness, I was picked as one of the first tech leads. This was my chance to actually become Scrum Master. Tech leading at that time involved hosting stand-ups, running planning meetings, and updating the burn-down chart with team progress. It invoked communication with technical leads from other projects, as well as the need to communicate the benefits of Scrum within the team. The team frequently had a problem with completing all testing. Therefore, I brought forward concepts such as acceptance test business-driven development, BDD, in the name of making the product potentially shippable at the end of each sprint. Now, this gave me a certain amount of recognition and respect within the department, not to mention making the quality assurance experts happy. After all, the projects I worked on as a tech lead were my first experience of being a Scrum Master. Though my official job title was software engineer, I had managed to volunteer myself into a role that gave me the perfect experience for my next job.